Today I'll show you how to do a triple tap on your iPhone. The triple tap usually is useful in text app, in note-taking apps, but you could use this in any app really. Any app could have the triple tap function. And here I do it on the home screen, nothing really happens. I could do it on one of those folders, but nothing happens. Most of the functions on the home screen need a simple tap or a long press. Tap and hold it for the jiggle mode, for example. But if I open a notes app here, I will enter some text just so you see an example of what's happening here. And I will have actually two paragraphs here. So there's one paragraph above and then a second paragraph of text below. And this is different in different apps. They will have different functions. But for me, the triple tap is the most useful in a text app. I will show you right now. So I have this paragraph here, and the simple tap is you press once on the screen and that's it. So press one on the screen, one time on the screen. I'll enter a colon there. Once on the screen, and you can move the cursor, you can open apps, you can do lots of things. And then you also have the double tap. So the double tap will select one word, but you also have the triple tap. So if I do a triple tap like that, I select the whole paragraph. And I can copy this paragraph. And I could do the triple tap anywhere in here. It will select the paragraph. The same for the paragraph above, same below, just like that. This is a pretty convenient option to select a whole paragraph of text when you have text that you want to copy or paste like this. So I could select this whole text and delete it, but I actually don't want to delete it. This is how you use the triple tap with text, but you can use triple tap with anything. As long as the app supports it and you have a function assigned to it, it will work. For me, the most useful option is to do this triple tap to select the text in a paragraph like that. If you want to select both paragraphs at the same time, maybe you have a lot of text here, you do one tap, wait a moment, and then tap again to show this menu, and you have more options there, but you can choose select all and delete. I hope this helps you see how to use the triple tap function on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.